Hello, welcome to the next section. This is just a quick video I inserted before the actual content because I want to make it very clear that this section is optional. Yes, I said it 7 times here. I just want to be very, very clear. You do not have to do this section. It's all on HTTP, how we work with the internet within Python, how we can request data from an API. I added it in now because it is a fun topic for people who are interested in it. It's something that I think can break up the monotony of learning, new concept after new concept and just doing a bunch of these smaller exercises. You'll learn in this video or in this section how to do some more substantial things like send an HTTP request to an API, get data back, parse it as JSON, and then do something with it. For some people, I think that is exciting. I know from my previous experience, it is an exciting thing. But for other people, this may seem like something that's unnecessary. If you don't care about the web, if you are only passionate about data, or you just want to get through this course so that you can start working on your own project and it doesn't have to do with HTTP requests, then skip this. So I don't want to hold you hostage and make you sit through this section because it is longer. It's not necessarily harder, but I have to cover some background information about the web. So I just want to be very, very upfront. Also, if you're interested in the web scraping section later in the course, you'll definitely want to at least run through this section quickly because we have to make requests in the web scraping section. So we use what we cover in this section. Anyway, I will shut up, but just remember, optional. If it bores you, if you don't care, if you start the section and then you feel like it's not for you, no shame in skipping. I mean, there's no shame in skipping in general, but I'm officially saying it's okay. Yeah, I'll shut up now and we'll get on with the content.